An electron is emitted with negligible speed from the negative plate of a parallel plate capacitor charged to a potential difference V. The separation between the plate is D and the magnetic field B exists in the space as shown in figure. Show that the electron will fail to strike the upper plate if D is greater than the given expression. Right? Now first of all it is given that this is my negative plate, this is my positive plate, and it is an electron. It is very clear that the electron will start moving towards the positive plate. Right? Now first of all I do have a potential difference of V. So electric field is equal to V by D, and where D is the distance between the plates. Fine, this is the electric field that is existing between the plates. Now if this is the electric field, a force will act on the particle that will be given by QE. Fine. Now what is happening is if a force is acting on the particle or the electron, then it will have an acceleration in upward direction. Sooner it will gain a velocity. Now if it has a velocity and there is a magnetic field existing, so it will start rotating in a circle right from this very moment, and velocity is this and magnetic field is upward, so it will start moving like this. Right? Now what I have to calculate is that it will fail to strike the upper plate if D is greater than this. Fine. Now if the force is acting, so acceleration can be written as QE by M. Right? Now I want that it does not fail to strike the upper plate, it just touches it. So if it just touches it, then D should be exactly equal to the radius of the arc that is formed, like this is the radius of the arc. Right? And if I want that it has to be fail, then D should be greater than R. Right? Now R is given by mv by qb, as I know. This velocity will be the velocity of the electron during its motion. Fine. Now we know that v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Initial velocity is 0. I substitute the value. V comes out to be 2 times of qe by m into d to the power 1 by 2. This is the velocity with which it will reach the upper plate. Now if this is my velocity, then the radius will be m by qb into 2 times of qe by m into d to the power 1 by 2. That is d. So d must be greater than 2mv by q b naught square to the power 1 by 2. That is my answer.